Hello students, today we start a new module number 6, green building. In a green building we discuss about different material used in a green building, introduction about the green building, all these things. Now we start this chapter with an introduction. So what is green building? So green building is expand and complements the building design concern of economy, utility, durability and comfort. So all these things are covered in a single building, and construct a building is known as a green building and also known as a green construction, and also we told that sustainable building. So all these three are a same word of a green building. So a green building is a one which uses less water, optimize energy efficiency, conserve natural resources, generate less wastage, and provide a healthier space for occupant as compared to conventional building. So as you know, so different natural resources are available. Natural resources like sunlight, wind energy, then after water energy. So all these energy are used, and we construct a building with uh, minimum energy efficiency, or by using the minimum energy, and we construct a building and we use the natural energy. So this type of the constructed building is known as a green building. And here construction of the green building wastage is provided less as compared to conventional building. So all of you know about the conventional building. Conventional building are made by the cement, sand, aggregate, steel. All these material are generally used, but as compared to green building, uh, here wastage is much more as compared to green building. Now next is the objective of the green building. So first is a low impact. So here it's minimize the impact on a natural environment. Second objective of a green building is a energy efficient. So reduce the energy uses and water usage. So these are the two main important thing. Reduce the energy usage. So here we use the sunlight as a natural resource or a energy resource, and we use the wind as an energy resource. So it's reduce the use of this energy, and water is also reduced. Third objective of the green building is healthy. So here protect the occupant health and increase the productivity. So here we use in a construction of the green building, we use the naturally available material, or another healthy material. So here healthy environment is created, so it's increase the productivity. Now fourth is a minimize of the wastage. So main fourth objective of the green building is a minimize of the wastage. So here design and construction in a manner that minimize the waste, pollution and environment degradation. So these are the three things is minimize in a wastage. Now next is fundamental principles involved in development of green building. So here main four principle is involved: structural efficiency, second is energy efficiency, third one is water efficiency, and fourth one is material efficiency. So one by one we discuss on it. First is structural efficiency. So it means intentions is to minimize the total environment impact associated with or life cycle. Like in a life cycle, you know about the life cycle, reuse, waste generated, now waste reuse. So these are the different cycle of the life. So here it is the largest impact on a cost and performance of the building. So here green building cost is higher, but output is very well as compared to conventional building. Now second is the energy efficiency. So the strategy is to reduce the operating energy usage. So here we use the electricity. So as compared to electricity, if we use the naturally available energy like a sunlight or a wind, and by using the natural energy we generate a power, and this power is used in our building. So it's energy efficiency building. Now renewable energy through solar power, wind power, and biomass significantly hydropower can reduce the environmental impact of a building. Now next is the water efficiency. So here reduce water consumption and protecting the water quality is the key objective of the sustainable building or a green building. So here we use the natural available or a stored water. So we reduce the water consumption, and the use of the non-sewage and grey water for on-site use such as a site irrigation will minimize the demand of local aquifer. And fourth one is material efficiency. So building materials should be renewable material, recycle, and friendly to the environment. And examples are the example are number from the forest renewable plant material like bamboo straw, bamboo and straw, and other products like non-toxic, toxic and reusable. So these are the different material are easily available in India. So this type of the material is used to construct a building as a material efficient building. Now next important topic is a material used in a green construction. So here first material is a wool brick. So as you seen in a figure, so wool brick is obtained by adding the wool and natural polymer found in seaweeds to clay brick, and 37% more strength than the burnt clay brick. And here comparison of the wool brick and clay brick, wool brick is strong enough as compared to clay brick, and also is strong enough to fly ash brick, and resistant for a climate and climate cold and wet weather condition. So here it's generally used for the external wall to resist the cold and wet condition. So here these brick are cost is some of the cost is higher as compared to clay brick. Now next is a sustainable concrete. So here this concrete is made by the cements and aggregate, but crushed glass and wood chips or slag byproduct of steel manufacturing, and reducing the emulsion of the CO2. So these are the main benefit of the sustainable concrete or a green concrete. Now third one is a solar tiles. So see this photograph. So in this photograph you exactly seen the clay tiles, and these tiles are fixed on a top of the slab or roof, and exist to simplify the protect a building, and the spend a large tiles portion for absorbing the day energy from the sun. So here sunlight is absorbed by the solar tiles, and we use the sunlight in a daytime. And next another material is a paper insulation. So here made from the this insulation is made from the recycled newspaper and cardboard. So this paper insulation is made by the newspaper. So like newspaper is crushed in a crusher mill, or a cardboard is a crusher in a crusher mill, and then after used in a concrete as a insulating material. So they fill with a chemical form, and insect resistant, retardant, and fire. So here one of the disadvantages of the paper insulation is that so it's not a fire protected, so it's used for the filling work only. Now another material is a triple glass window. So here see this photograph. So here glass window is provided. So here super efficient window and stop to heat to enter the building and sunlight from the building sunlight and from direct. So here heat is not transmitted, only light is transmitted, heat is not transmitted from the glass. So here most important, this type of the glass is generally used in a uh, commercial complex buildings or mall etc., to reduce the to reduce the usage of the electric energy. So from the in a morning time or in a daytime we use the sunlight, but heat is not entered, only light is entered from the glass. Now another material is a eco-friendly material like a bamboo. So here bamboo is used in a brickwork, like see this photograph. In this photograph vertical, this vertical steel is replaced by the bamboo. So this vertical road is replaced by the bamboo because bamboo is a naturally available material and it's eco-friendly material, and strength is very well as compared to another material. So by steel is replaced by the bamboo. So here see this photograph. In this photograph we see the bamboos, and these bamboos is used as a reinforcement in a brickwork structure, earthquake resistance brickwork. Now next is different from other buildings. So here green building is how to different from the other buildings. So here some of the point is given. So the design, maintenance and construction of the building have a tremendous effect on our environment and natural resource. And green building is different from the other building because it use the minimum amount of non-renewable energy and produce minimal pollution, increase the comfort, health and safety of the people who work in them. So here it is also minimize the wastage in a construction by recovering the material and reusing or recycling them. So here generally green building is constructed by the recycled material, like wastage and other recycled material, and also construct by the naturally available material. Now benefits of the green building. So building have a large effect on environment, human health and economy, and the successful adoption of the green building development can minimize both the economic and environmental performance of the building. Now environment benefits. So here four benefits is given. First is protect biodiversity and ecosystem. Second is improve the air and water quality. Third one is reduce of the wastage stream. So all of you listen, in a last slide we discuss about the reduce the wastage of the material, and fourth one is conserve the natural resources. So we use the sunlight or wind energy. So all these energy are used as a in a green building. Now one by one we discuss on it. First is economic benefit. So reduce the operating cost. Second is create, expand and shape markets of for green building products and service, and improve the occupant productivity. Now second is a benefit is a social benefit. So social benefit of the green building is enhance occupant comfort and health. Second is a heighten aesthetic quality, and third one is a minimize strain on local infrastructure, and fourth one is improve overall quality of life. Now here some of the government agencies name is given: LWD, GRIHA, TRI, ADRSH and MNRE. So these are the 5 companies or government agencies are work on a green building. And green building policy code. So here national building code called NBC. So the Bureau of Indian Standard BIS, and second is the energy conservation building code, ECBC. So the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, BEE, and third green building policy code is EIA, Environmental Impact Assessment. So it's under the Ministry of Environmental and Forest, MOFE. So here we complete our topic of green building. Thank you.